what kind of groceries are you currently shopping for and what is in your fridge? So a lot of people wonder how they can stop eating junk food, how they can start eating healthier and just be better to their bodies. Our bodies are so important and our bodies are so amazing. We have to give ourselves nutrient-dense foods and be good to ourselves. Why would you feed your body food that is going to be harmful for it and food that's going to be making it more sluggish, etc.? You want your food to really fuel you and make you feel good and make you feel amazing and abundant. So my tip for you in how you can go about eating healthier is it starts with the grocery store. So basically what that means is if you don't have it around and if you have no access to it, then you're not going to be able to eat it. So if we're talking about the things that you buy at the grocery store, you have the power to choose exactly what you're going to buy and exactly what's going to go into your home. So basically what that means is you really want to make sure that you just simply don't have access to those things that are going to be bad for you, whether that be food, whether that be, computer games or addictions or things that are just not good for you. So if you can get them out of your living space, then you're going to be so much better off, because even if you were tempted, it's going to make it a lot harder for you to actually give in to those cravings. So for example, if you're trying to cut down on sugar and you're eating sweets way too much, start off by just eliminating the sugar that is in your house. And then guess what? Even if you want sugar, it won't be around. And that's gonna be so good for you because you're gonna be able to wean yourself off sugar. So it starts at home, it starts with the groceries that you buy, and then little by little you'll develop habits and you're going to get yourself out of those bad habits and into better ones. Because just like most people, if it's available, then sometimes we really can't control ourselves. So I mean, it's not all willpower. It also has to do with what is available, because I don't have that great of willpower as well. Like if there were a piece of cake in my fridge, I would probably be eating it. I can't help myself. So yeah, just make sure that you fill your fridge with healthy foods and go grocery shopping instead of going out to eat. I know that sounds obvious right now, but literally when you go out to eat, you are not in control of what goes in the food. And you're also more likely to binge on fast food or just have something that's super unhealthy. So if you can prep your food beforehand at home and then take it with you wherever you're going, if you're going to work, whatnot, then you're gonna have power and control over what you're eating. And then also you're saving your pocketbook, because eating at home and making your own food is way cheaper than going out to eat. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also let me know what kinds of foods you enjoy eating, and if you are trying to cut anything out of your diet, I'd love to hear from you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.